Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Electrical Basics Made Easy. In this video, we are going to learn Ohm's law in a very simple way. This topic is very important for beginners, students and competitive exams. First of all, why do we need to learn Ohm's law? Because it is the foundation of the electrical circuits. First of all, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage applied through it, provided the temperature remains constant. In a simple way, we can state that the electric current is proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. The formula of the Ohm's law is V equals to I cross R, that is the voltage equals to current into resistance. Voltage in volts, current in amperes and the resistance in ohms. Now let us discuss with a numerical example. Suppose the voltage is 10 volts and the resistance is 5 ohms. We can also write the Ohm's law as referring from the Ohm's law triangle V equals to I cross R, I equals to V by R and R equals to V by I. So from the equation I equals to V by R, now we are going to substitute the voltage as 10 volts and the resistance as 5 ohms. After substituting these values, we will get the current as 2 amperes. If you understand the Ohm's law, please like, share and subscribe to Electrical Basics Made Easy. In the next video, we will discuss this in very detailed way. Thank you for watching.